Hello everyone, welcome to the course on solutions. In previous lecture, we discussed about the vapor pressure of solutions for liquid solutions where both solute and solvents are present in liquid state. Now, in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the vapor pressure of solutions of solids in liquids. Means when there is a presence of two volatile liquids, the vapor pressure of those liquids can be explained with the help of Raoult's law. But if there is a presence of the non-volatile solid solute in the solvent, what happens to the vapor pressure of solutions of such kind where the solid non-volatile solute is present? Here it can be explained by taking first the pure solvent. In pure solvent, only the volatile solvent is there, and upon heating, it will produces the vapors, and those solvent molecules escapes from the surface of the solvent, and they will create the pressure on the surface of the liquid, and vapor pressure gets produced. But if we add a non-volatile solute to that solvent, then some of the solvent molecules are replaced by non-volatile solute particles. Here you can observe the orange dots will represent the solute particles which are non-volatile. So, upon addition of non-volatile solute, the solute particles will occupy the surface of the liquid solvent, and thus upon heating the vapors produced, and those vapors are of only of solvent particles. And since less number of solvent molecules are present on the surface, hence the less number of solvent molecules escapes from the surface, and hence the vapor pressure of such solution gets decreases because of production of less number of solvent molecules which escapes from the surface of the solvent. And from this you can say that upon addition of a non-volatile solute to the solvent, the vapor pressure of the solution gets decreases, or vapor pressure of the solvent decreases because of occupation of the solute particles on the surface of the solvent. Thus the vapor pressure gets decreases, and the decrease in vapor pressure of the solvent depends upon the quantity of non-volatile solute present in the solution. If more amount of volatile solute is added, then more amount of if the more amount of non-volatile solute is added, then the vapor pressure will also decreases in more quantity. So more the non-volatile solute, more more decrease in vapor pressure will be observed. Hence, in general, the Raoult's law for a non-volatile solutions containing non-volatile solutes can be explained or can be stated as: for any solution, the partial vapor pressure of each volatile component in a solution is directly proportional to its mole fraction. So, Raoult's law, it can be stated for non-volatile solute as well as for volatile liquids. In previous video, we have studied the Raoult's law for volatile liquids, and now this is the in general statement of Raoult's law where the solution is containing non-volatile solute particles. So This is about the vapor pressure of solutions of solids in liquids. Remember, upon addition of a non-volatile solute to the solvent, the vapor pressure of the solvent gets decreases. Okay, this is explained with the help of Raoult's law. I hope you cleared about this. Thank you.